interrupted with the libintl3.dll DLL blocking your multimedia or imaging software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start the walkthrough for libintl3, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the libintl3, the GNU Gettext Internationalization library. It manages unmanaged routines for localized text remapping, facilitating the multi-language manifest for the application data link. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. For errors involving libintl3, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the libintl3 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like libintl3.dll in your System32 folder. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with libintl3. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including libintl3 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.